Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Son. Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with a brand new video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new, please do me a favor. Feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you're brand new and you want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, all you gotta do is hit this little notification bell down below, and it'll do exactly that. It'll let you know every time we drop a brand new video. Alright, guys, today's video is brought to you by J&M Sneakers. Their links are in the description. All you gotta do is check them out on IG. If you decide to shop with them, let them know your man, the son of some man, has sent you, and they shall take extra good care of you. Alright, guys, if you have grails and you want to keep them pristine, Capsule is the way to go. If you want to check out this product, check out how it it actually works, click the link at the top of the screen. You can check out that video, but make sure you come back here and finish up this video. Also, you can use my code SOMEMAN at checkout. Save yourself 20 bucks, 20%, something like that. But I know you save yourself some money, so make sure you check them out. All right, guys, now we're gonna check out some, I know this is not a very popular silhouette, but I happen to like Air Jordan 2s. I've had, where's my pair? I got the Just Dons down here. All right, guys, now I know Jordan 2s are not popular, but I don't know if you guys have ever seen these. If you're sneakerheads, I'm sure you have, but this is the Air Jordan 2 Just Don. If you guys have been with me, been rocking with me for forever, you know where I got these from. I got them from Shoe Butter. This is one pair that will never ever go anywhere. Speaking of Jordan 2s, like I just said, we got for today a pair of Air Jordan 2s. Now these are the Air Jordan 2 White Fire Red Black Sail, but these are called Pythons. Now, like I said, the Air Jordan 2 is not very popular. Not many people like it. Of course I do. You could cop these when they come out. I believe they come out on the 20th of this month. Or you could just wait and get them on sale, because that's where they're most likely gonna go. Guys, here you have it, the Air Jordan 2 Python. Now, it's not too crazy, it's not nothing insane. Seems to me just like a regular Jordan 2. Now, the Python skin is actually synthetic, I believe. It's fake, it's not real. Now, we got I got a pair of Jordan 11 lows that actually have the snake skin on it from 2001. Now, let me see if that pair is available to show you guys. I think it's up there behind me. But, yeah, this is, this material here does not look like anything like it. And, like I said, it's plain. The only thing that really pops to me is the Nike Air, Nike Air, the Nike on the back, which is embroidered. Now we're gonna do a full detailed review on foot, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Come join the family, subscribe. We're growing. It's very slow. We're growing very slowly, but we are growing. I am trying to put in the work, put in the content, trying to post every single day. Let's check out the other shoe. Now, Jordan 2s, it does come with a booklet. We'll get into that, during the review. Yeah, we're just taking a quick look at these. Now this sneaker is fire. I can't, I don't understand how you do not like it. Now, if you don't know, the Jordan 2 was basically made in Italy. They had, I guess, they tried something different, and I guess it didn't stick, or maybe it just cost too much, but this is pretty clean. This also reads too, which we'll dive more into it tomorrow, but it says, please note, due to the nature of the metallic components, slight variations or imperfections should be expected. Do not eat by mistake. Why would anyone want to eat these? That's weird to me. Now, taking a look at it, yeah, I mean, if you put your nail to it, you can feel the scales. But you know what? Hold on. Now you see this. The skin is a lot different than this one here. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Skin is different. I didn't get no tag on this one saying that please do not eat. I really don't get that. I'll try to look more into that and, you know, try to, you know, actually find out what that means. But please do not eat by mistake. I don't know. Anyway, guys, let me know down in the comment section how you feel about these Air Jordan 2s. Told you I'm a fan. We will be doing a review one on foot, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. I truly appreciate you. We truly appreciate you over here on the channel. But guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I'll give you guys a quick look at the end of the video. Make sure you stay tuned. Like I said, the review, the on foot is coming, dropping. So please stay tuned to the channel. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, join the family. Until next time, it is your man, Thesonofsomeman, and we're out, guys. Peace.
What we do here is go back.